Hello friends, welcome to Trading Community. My name is Abdul Hasib. So this video is especially for beginners who are coming with small capital. I am trading with just small capital and you can see how I trade. My advice for beginners is that don't put all your money in trading account first itself. Put a 10 by 1 or something like small amount and see for 1 week, okay? You can see here my opening balance is 574.85 rupees only. I am trading with this money. Let's see, it's 9:15 Friday 15th May. Market has opened. Let me see. We may get a chance in Inducent Bank for trading. If that takes support at the pivot support level, then we can go for a quick position. Let's see, guys. If that takes support at 421, then we may take a position. Yeah, let's see, guys. Yeah, let's take a position, a buying position. Okay, I'm going to take a buying position. (9:16 a.m.) 7 quantity. Stop loss of 4 to 420. And let's give. It's a cover order, guys. Market stock is moved some upside. We giving 4 to 2.6. Okay, if that triggered, we may get, or else leave it. We can find another trade. Let's see. Oh, 1 point up now. If there come only 1 point down, then our trade will be triggered. Let's see, guys. Have we got that trade now? Let's see. Our target will be like a 3 or 4 rupees profit. Then we will book that profit and exit, guys. Let's see, guys. 422, 423. Sellers are still more 5 lakh. Buyers 2 lakh. Yeah, buyers are moving up 4 lakh. Like 476 or 477, that will be our target. Let's see, guys. Stock is moving up only. If it bounce back also, I think if Inducent will come down only, but before that we should book our profit. $70-80 rupees, 20 rupees profit now, guys. The time is 9:28. We can modify our stop loss 4 to 5.95. Yeah, our target has been hit. Now we can exit. Market order and just modifying stop loss, like trailing the stop loss. 427.25. Yeah, if that is our target, will be that. Oh shit, let me try once more. 426. Eh, hmm. Let's see, we are given 426.25 is our stop loss, and now we can exit, I think so. Let's exit the market order itself. Let's give it like 4 to 7 itself. Submit. That's enough, guys. 30.45 rupees profit with just 7 quantities. That's how we trade with just small quantity and with small capital. Let's check our funds now. 605.30, guys. Down 1% of that stock price. 422 6 to 426.95. 4 point something profit. Yeah, guys, now time is 10:42 a.m. I have shorted Aero Pharma at 66.80 rupees, guys. Let's see. I can't record that was a good position. Sorry for that. I think Aero Pharma will show some downtrend. Let's wait and see. Guys, now the time is 11:29 and Aero Pharma is at 658. We can exit now. We have done a 6 rupees profit in one itself. We have only 8 quantity, shorted 8 quantity in cover order, and let's exit now. 42 rupees profit now. Let's exit, guys. $657.7. Sorry friends, there was some error in recording the final part of the trading, like exiting that. I can't